Type 9 of the Enneagram is the mediator. Mediators believe that to be loved and valued, you must blend in and go with the flow. Consequently, mediators seek harmony and are inclusive, amiable, easygoing, comfortable, and steady. They also can be self-forgetting, conflict avoidant, but stubborn. Now, the focus of attention of the mediator: other people's agendas and external environment. Very simple. Life lesson to be implemented by type 9, the mediator. Reclaim yourself and wake up to personal priorities, not just for others, but also live for yourself. Now, what does type 9 tell us about themselves? As a harmonizer, I can see all sides of every issue. I avoid conflict and want a comfortable solution. I have difficulty saying no and can get resentful later for agreeing to something I don't want to do. I am ambivalent or unsure about my own deeds and wants. It is much easier to go along with the others than to rock the boat. How do you relate to type 9, the mediator? Ask them what they want and give them time to discern the answer. Do not rush them. Avoid coming on too strong, getting impatient, or creating pressure on them. If you sense they're reluctant or unsure about themselves, that's something they said yes to or agreed to, let them know that it's okay to say no. Encourage them to determine their priorities and support them to take action. Stay present in them when they're angry. Share body weight activities because they like walking, exercising, cooking, or eating. Now, type 9, the mediator, what are the things that he has to reflect upon? Right action comes from valuing ourselves as much as we value others. Knowing what we don't want can help us know what we really want. Self-worth is self-defined. It comes from within. Every complaint contains a hidden want, wish, need, or desire. Conflict is unavoidable part of being human. What are type 9, the peacemakers, on the different health levels? At healthy levels, peacemakers use their natural conflict diffusing powers to maintain harmony and bring on social fluidity in a group. They're natural counselors and teachers with a gift for persuasion and mediation. Optimistic and fully alive, they have a strong sense of identity and can ascribe to a simple and healthy lifestyle. Well actualized peacemakers can develop a keen sense of ambition and take the necessary steps to use a calm energy to better others' lives and well-being. They are excellent communicators and patient enough to deal with any situation. Self-actualized peacemakers can use their deep wisdom to help others resolve their internal and external conflicts. Type 9, the peacemakers at average health levels. Peacemakers stay out of the limelight and maintain regular contact with their close friends and acquaintances. They may have issues with procrastination and can often correct their work habits with consistent schedules and careful planning. For peacemakers, this is an important lifelong process. Peacemakers are change adverse and lovers of the comfortable and familiar. They enjoy the idea of a cozy retreat to take a break from the world and simply relax. They have the tendency to avoid direct confrontation and move away from problems when they emerge. Peacemakers at unhealthy levels. Peacemakers become lethargic, unable to concentrate on a task, and believe they do not matter in the grand scheme of things. They may become sluggish and unable to focus, simply procrastinating time away instead of achieving anything. Cruising through life on autopilot, peacemakers go through the motions without trying to set goals or make improvements. On another note, peacemakers become internally self critical for not being able to carry through the plans and establish a firm identity. Extremely stressed peacemakers often fail to set personal boundaries, which may lead to burnout and emotional exhaustion. Their passive aggressiveness ends up straining existing relationships.